on your soul, so let's keep it going.
Guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are having an amazing, beautiful, perfect day. Today is Christmas at the time of filming this, and I want to wish you all happy holidays, Merry Christmas. I hope it was absolutely wonderful. I'll start off by saying that this video is not intended to be braggy in any way, shape, or form. I'm 100% grateful for everything I've been given. Honestly, it's... I almost cried. Well, honestly, I just want to say thank you for everyone who got me a gift. You did not have to get me a gift. If you're watching this and you know me and you got me a gift, thank you. I appreciate it so much, and honestly, it really is just the spirit of the holidays, just being able to be around people you love and enjoy is just a gift itself. And you know, being around you guys is amazing, and you guys are the best gift by far this year, and I could have never imagined this in a million years ever. So thank you so much. I mean, that this is, yeah, it's crazy. Oh my gosh, I have no words. I really hope you guys enjoy this haul. I love watching these hauls, and honestly, I anticipate them. You guys know I love shopping and things, and I know it's not good to do that, but you know, I always love watching them and just seeing excitement on people's faces. You know, if I could just give gifts, I wouldn't be fine not receiving gifts. Just giving gifts and seeing the smile on people's faces is a gift itself and priceless and just amazing. So yeah, I find a lot of joy giving people little gifts. So I hope you guys enjoy. Enough talking, let's just get into what I got. So we're first going to start off with my stocking. We couldn't find our stockings this year, so we improvised, and you know, who doesn't love some soccer? So guys, so moving on to my stocking, I did take everything out because I thought it would be way easier to do it, and we couldn't find our stockings this year, so we improvised, and honestly, who doesn't love some soccer? So starting off, I got a winter candy apple lotion, mini mist, and lip gloss. So I'm very excited to use this. If you guys don't know, this is my favorite winter slash like Christmas scent that Bath & Body Works has. And then I got some Friends trivia cards. If you guys don't know, Friends is one of my favorite TV shows to watch. And then I got some nail files because I always love doing my nails. I actually just did my nails a few weeks ago, and I gotta do them again. And then I got some cozy socks because I love fuzzy socks. I look forward to using these right after I film this video because I've been waiting to open them just so I can get this haul done for you guys. And then I got some candy, a loofah, and this has purple, white, and pink. Getting a gumdrop and a sugar cookie bubble bath. So they're purple and pink, and they just come in these little cute little bottles. Some sugar cookie scented wipes. I'm probably gonna put these in my car just to have it, you know. I have a thing with sugar cookie. My car actually has a freshener that smells like sugar cookie in there right now, so this is gonna be a great addition to it. I got some hair masks because I love to have a hair mask in when I'm doing like a self-care day or a spa day. All I got for my stocking, and now we can move on to the gifts. So starting off with my first gift, which is super duper cozy blanket, which I've been living in for the past few days. I actually have it on my bed, and it's just so soft and cozy and really puts you in the Christmas spirit, you know. Chocolates, of course, because you can't really go wrong with a few chocolates. A few of those. And then I got some masks, because you guys know skincare is my thing, and a really cute mug, which I actually used for tea this morning. This mug is absolutely amazing, and I'm so excited to use it for many more tea mornings like this one. Yeah. So I want to say a huge thank you to the special person that did give me this gift. I absolutely love it. And then moving on, I did end up getting family. So starting off with a gift from my brother, a Thank You Next fragrance set. I love Ariana Grande perfumes, so I'm really excited to use this one. Getting some new headbands. So I have a black bow headband and a really cute like pink pearl headband, and I'm just so excited to just use them because you guys know I love headbands. The next thing was actually from my aunt. Some more face masks. So I got a bunch of these hydrogel face masks. I ended up getting these really cute blue, green, and like lilac color, and then this really cute pink, orange. It's really colorful, and I'm so excited to use them. And then I did end up getting a gift card, and I cannot wait to use this. Hey, I love bling. I love anything glittery, anything pink, anything sparkly. Just is right up my alley. So my parents ended up getting me a bedazzled license plate cover. Some would say this is extra, which I would agree with you. But I'm so excited. It's going to be decked out looking beautiful and glamorous, you know. Another gift that I got was actually from my grandma. So my grandma ended up getting me AirPods for Christmas, and they're actually right here. I've been using them all morning long and I'm so excited. So they just look like this, and I ended up getting a case for it. I have it right here and it looks so cute, and I'm so excited to use it. So a big thank you to my grandma, which I know you're watching this. And then I got some more face masks, and I'm so excited for these as well. I have a huge spa day, so I'm thinking of making another spa day video hopefully soon. This thing I got was also from my aunt's as well, and it was this bath powder. It's this fizzing bath powder, so I'm super stoked to use this as well. So I'm so excited to use all of them. And so I've been looking at resistance bands, and so I ended up getting some resistance bands, which is so nice because I've been wanting them for a while. And the next thing, these smart bulbs. So I ended up getting a smart bulb that basically just hooks up to like a lamp, and I'm so excited to use them. And then I ended up getting a smart plug as well, so I can control it all from my phone or, you know, my iPad or whatever it is. So my aunt got me this really cute bag, so I'm super excited to put this like in my car or something, use it, especially when you go grocery shopping, to have a little reusable tote. These ears from her too, so I've been wearing them all day. Then I ended up getting some workout clothes. This is from my mom and my dad. So I ended up getting these workout leggings from Pink, and they are so cute. They're little ombre ones. They just look like this. So now I have some new workout leggings to work out in. This, and then they look I ended up getting a matching shirt with it, and it just looks like this. It's just super cozy, and I love it so much. So I'm sweatpants. I do have like a similar pair of sweatpants from Aeropostale, and they're so comfortable, and I live in them almost every day. This is really soft and comfy inside, and these are gonna be my other pair of sweatpants that I live in for most of the day as well. I ended up getting some tights because I love tights. I use them all the time. The other thing I also got was from my neighbors, which were really sweet, and ended up getting me these pocket lattes, which I've never heard of. And I'm honestly excited to see. Yeah, I'm excited to try that. And then I ended up getting this really beautiful necklace that I cannot wait to wear from my neighbors as well. And it has just these little beads on it. And it's so cute. It's a little rainbow. And then I ended up getting another face mask, and I'm so excited to use this as well. This looks like it's going to be super amazing and smell really good as well. So moving on, another gift that I got was this Foreo mask, like a facial cleanser device. You guys know skincare is my thing, and so I heard about this and I heard really good things about it, and so now I finally can get to use it. And I also was in need of getting a facial brush, so now I have one, and I'll have to let you guys know how it goes, maybe do a review, I don't know, we'll see. Another gift that I got was also this one. So this is the Amazing Grace by Philosophy. Okay, if you guys don't know, I love Philosophy's cleanser. It's the Purity Made Simple cleanser. I just fell in love with it, and so I ended up getting the Amazing Grace perfume set, and I'm so excited to wear this, and finally, you know, this is amazing. So then the next thing that I got were these Adidas shoes. So my parents ended up getting me these new white ones because I love my white shoes, but I always get them dirty so quick. So now I'm going to be taking extra special care of these because these are just beautiful. Next thing I ended up getting was some socks. Smile to your face, you know? And then I ended up getting a Bath & Body Works card from one of my other aunts. So I'm really excited to use this. You guys know Bath & Body Works is like one of my favorite stores ever. So we're going to be doing a lot of damage. I'm just kidding, but I don't know, are we? I saw these, I don't know about you guys, but I always see these on TikTok, and I thought they were really cool, so I brought it up, and I was like, I thought it was really cool. I ended up getting a wax warmer, so we're really going to be doing a spa day because this is like full-on spa day stuff. So yeah, we're going to be elevating our spa days, like, to the max. Last thing I ended up getting for Christmas is, I don't even have words for this. I still can't believe this happened. It's literally crazy, and I almost cried because my parents, everyone was just like so excited and so happy, and I was not expecting this at all. My parents ended up getting me a phone, so I have this really cute blue case just to keep it protected because I don't know about you guys, but I've been wanting, I don't know, I've always seen people do these videos, and yeah, it just was really, really amazing gift, and I'm so excited to finally use one. I don't know, it's so crazy. I don't know. So I want to say a huge thank you to everyone. Like I said, I don't want this to ever come off as braggy, because I just want to share with you guys and just, I don't know, make your days a little brighter, you know, feel like we're celebrating together. Big thank you to my parents and my family for making this year so special. And everyone, honestly, everyone who's in my life, thank you so much, including you guys. Thank you for everything you have given me. Oh, thank you to literally everyone who's in my life, you know, whether I know you personally or I don't. Thank you so much for bringing me into your world and into your life, because, you know, that's a very special gift that you can give someone. So thank you guys. Oh my gosh, I feel like I'm repeating myself, but it's okay, it's okay. It just, I can't find words. Because I love to talk to you guys and just really get to hang out with you guys, because you guys make my day so much, and just, I couldn't imagine my life without you guys, and without any of the people in my life. Honestly, you guys are all amazing. So thank you so very much again, and I will see you guys in my next video. I love y'all so very much. Happy holidays. Mwah! Bye! Reindeer kisses. So today is December 26th, and today is the day after Christmas. And if you guys don't know, I love Lush. Lush is one of my other favorite stores. And I have a lot of favorite stores, but this store is pretty up there with Bath & Body Works. So I wanted to make sure I headed over here for their Boxing Day sale, which is 50% off all their Christmas stuff. So I want to share with you guys what I got, because I ended up using this with the Christmas money that I got from some of my family. And yeah, you know, I just decided, what the heck, might as well include it, because it's not really a haul or a Christmas haul if we don't buy something, you know what I mean? So I hope you guys enjoy, and yeah. So starting off, we did end up getting this, which I did end up opening because I love the smell of this. So this is the Sleepy Soap Stack, and it just comes in this little wrap, and it is so cute. And it comes with, I think, a little coconut bear soap and the Sleepy Soap bear, and it is so cute. And then the Sleepy Soap, and it just smells like lavender. It smells absolutely just another gift. And it's the Season's Greetings. Now this one I didn't open because I wanted to save it for the haul, but this one has the Snow Cake Soap and the Dream Cream Lotion. The next thing I got was actually Snow Fairy. So Snow Fairy is one of my favorite holiday collections from Lush, and it always sells out so quick online in like 6 minutes, I think, today. So we decided to just go to the store, and so I ended up getting the Snow Fairy shampoo bar. I ended up getting the Snow Fairy dust, and this smells delicious, amazing. Just, it is my favorite thing, and I really recommend it if you're a fan of sweet smells to get Snow Fairy. And then I ended up getting the body conditioner because I love Snow Fairy, and this is the full size, so I was like, what the heck, might as well, it's 50% off. I did end up getting this 50% off as well. So these are the Zing mouthwash tabs, and these are newer, and it's pink and it tastes like bubble gum. So it's supposed to just help freshen your breath, and it's 50% off, and I was like, what the heck, let's try it. So it looks like this, and yeah. And then last but not least, I did end up getting a bubble bar that was not half price, but I figured I wanted to treat myself, you know, give myself a little spa day. So I ended up getting the Sleepy Bubble Bar, and it just looks like, but it looks like this, and it's just so, it smells amazing and so cute. So we're gonna be doing an ultimate spa day. I may make a video on it or not, and using the stuff that I got for Christmas, we're gonna be like stepping our spa days up. Like, our game is gonna be up a lot this year. I'm so excited. So that's basically all I have for my haul. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'm working really hard to get this out before tomorrow. Oh my gosh, I have to edit this today. But I'm trying really hard to get this out before tomorrow so you guys can enjoy it and we get to hang out together and just, yeah. So I hope you guys enjoy this video, and I'm so excited to show you guys and share with you guys what I got. And I hope you guys have a very merry Christmas and have a happy new year, and I will see you guys in my next video. I love you all so very much. Mwah! Bye.